It's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, the lesson before was working with Dr. Octopus, and you were watching me actually finish the final step. So I thought it would be really helpful to do the step-by-step one so that if you wanted to learn how to do this particular character, you're ready to go. So if you have your pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.